In this video, I'll be providing a tour and review of cabins 15164 and 15152, both ocean balcony cabins on the MSC Seashore, but quite different from each other. We'll begin the tour of cabin 15164 first, which is located midship on the 15th floor on the starboard side. As you enter, the bathroom is located to your left. This bathroom includes a standalone shower rather than a bathtub, and you'll also find a shampoo and shower gel dispenser inside the shower. The bathroom counter does extend slightly toward the toilet, which can slightly reduce the available space, but overall it's a practical bathroom that meets the standard size for this type of room. As we return to the main room, you'll notice the room safe in the closet to the left of the bed. Directly in front of the bed, there's a large mirror with a TV positioned to its left. I found the bed to be on the firm side but comfortable. The only downside of the bed is that it lacks USB ports on both sides. Instead, you will only find one USB port on one side of the bed, depending on the layout of the room. This cabin features a sofa that converts into a bed, perfect for a third person. Opposite of the sofa, you'll find a desk area which is equipped with outlets and USB ports, along with a mini fridge and a small mirror. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. Also, stay tuned for the stateroom tour of cabin 15152 coming up shortly. This is the ocean view balcony cabin number 15152, located on the midship of the 15th deck on the starboard side. As you enter, to the right you'll find the box for your cruise card to activate the cabin's electricity. You'll also see the D&D indicator and the Make Up My Room buttons if you need the housekeeping service. To the right you'll find the bathroom. While this is a deluxe balcony room, some rooms feature bathtubs while others have standalone showers. You'll also notice a shampoo and shower gel dispenser next to the shower head. I found the bathroom size to be comparable to what other cruise lines offer for a standard ocean view balcony room. However, if you prefer a bit more space in the bathroom, I would recommend opting for a room with a standalone shower instead of a bathtub. In the room, you'll find a safe next to the closet. While the closet space is adequate, I noticed it's slightly smaller than what you would get on other cruise lines for the same type of cabin. Moving on towards the desk area, you'll also find the mini fridge, but do keep in mind that the cabin crew locks the fridge on the last day of the cruise, so it's best to take your drinks out beforehand. The desk area also features European and American outlets along with USB ports for charging your devices. I found the bed to be on the firm side but comfortable. One downside of the bed is that it lacks USB ports on both sides. Instead, you will only find one USB port on one side of the bed, depending on the layout of the room. This is what the view was like from the 15th floor of the balcony. If you have any questions about the room, feel free to leave a comment below. Also, if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and a subscribe. Until next time.